In what ways did you feel Jewish growing up?
Well, that's interesting. I wasn't raised religious at all. I'm not a big fan of religion in general, any religion. So I'm grateful that I wasn't raised religious because I was a very rebellious kid, and if I'd had to go to Hebrew school, I would have probably been kicked out. So it wouldn't have been worth anyone's time. But I feel culturally pretty Jewish. You know, it's interesting. We're all multidimensional people. You know, I think that's your fate as an American. Unless you grow up in a very small, isolated place, it's your fate to be a multi-dimensional, multi-identity person, isn't it? Because we all have interests that are outside of the culture that we were born into. But then there are some things that are irreducible, right? Like, I don't know, any goyim who like gefilte fish. I love it. I can't get enough. Okay, I could get enough, but yeah, that kind of thing. And I think that the love of books. See, but when I say something like that, then I think about, well, of course, you know, people all over the world love books and intellectual discussion and movies. But there's something particularly Jewish about a certain attitude, right? I'm not going to be arrogant enough to define it, but I feel it. And certainly, like being here, I feel like I'm among my people in a way. But I would feel like that in a different way if I was in a different setting, if I was among a bunch of belly dancers, for example, or with a bunch of cartoonists, right? Who your people are shifts depending on what the context is.